have mastered subnetting within a /24. But what happens when that's not enough? In this episode, we'll subnet bigger blocks that go beyond the 4th octet. Remember, subnet masks can only use specific values. Each one represents binary bits turned on from left to right. These are some of the subnet sizes we have used so far. All stay within the 4th octet. When we go beyond /24, we start using the 3rd octet, and each step doubles the available IP addresses. Here are two typical /24 subnets. Each gives 254 usable addresses. But what if we want to combine them? We can combine them into a single /23 and we will get 512 IP addresses. Even with bigger subnets, the rules stay the same. First IP is the network ID, last IP is the broadcast, everything in between is the usable range. Likewise, the next two /24 subnets can be combined into one /23. Whether you start from /24s or /23s, you can still merge them into a /22 as long as they're properly aligned. To recap, subnetting beyond /24 gives you room to support larger, scalable networks. CIDR notation helps control and organize address space efficiently. You're no longer limited to a single octet. Larger subnets span across multiple octets. These blocks are often used by ISPs, enterprises, or even entire regions, not just for end-user devices. Now that you have learned how to work with larger blocks, it's your turn. In the next episode, you will solve real subnetting problems. See you there. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to check out the next episode. Thanks for watching.